Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I have a small thrift haul today, and admittedly I had some help and there's a couple things that are too big for me to lift that aren't in here. So a couple of fellow flippers I know hit some thrift stores and thought of me and picked me up a few things. So I'm going to start with those things first. And I did pay the prices that were on them for those items. So this bread box was $5.99. I like the dark wood on that one, so but they'll get painted and something on the front of it. And then we have this one. I will change out that hardware. This one was $8.99. And then it also has this weird inset up here that I'll pry out because it is already loose. I'll get that pried out and then everything will get sanded down and painted on this one. And again, new hardware because I don't like that at all. And then I have this jewelry box. It has the top with like an ivory, you can see my crafting mess over there, ivory felt in it. And then there's two drawers like that and then one that's just a solid open drawer. So this will get painted and probably a transfer put on that. And my boys are outside blowing leaves right now, so I apologize for that noise. I thought they were done because I saw them on the back and they already did the front. So I got this for our puppy. Well, she's not really a puppy, she's two. Just a Rae Dunn bowl for her. And then the rest of this, oh, I got that at Goodwill today. This one I got at a thrift store when I went for my post-op check. I do have the mirror. It does need to be resprayed because the mirror part is coming off and it's got the lovely gold. But we will go ahead and get like the ink cleaned out of that. This will get painted and probably not a transfer, but definitely distressed to show all the little details on this. That was $4. Just a little bit more than I like to pay for those, but I'm having a hard time finding them up north here. So I bought these little magnetic canisters for spices. The whole bag was $6.99. They're marked at $2 a piece. So definitely there's 8 of them in here. I don't know if I'm gonna label them or put them on a board and sell them that way or keep them. I may keep them, I'm not sure. That was $6.99 for that bag. $2.99 for a cutting board. I had 2 of these sell this past week. This will get sanded down. I'm not sure. Possibly restained a darker, I don't like the orangey. And then I may put something on it. I may leave it. I have not decided yet. This was $4.99. They are totally redoing the Goodwill we stopped at today. So it was kind of like you were at the bins. Everything was piled in bins in the back. So it was kind of different digging through and I felt like we found more treasures than we found in a while. I'm going to leave this as is other than adding something to here and maybe seeing if I can find if my little jars I bought fit in here or something, some kind of decor for in here. And then it'll say something. I'm actually leaning towards maybe doing something for Christmas with this and making it part of Christmas decor. I got this cutie. It was $3.99 and it's got like a planter in it and that can come out because this does open and it would be really cute to just do some greenery in here. I just couldn't get it out. And then maybe even do the planter separately. And this will get spray painted black most likely, but anything with little birds like that always does really well. And next you can see this. This has just got 4 little drawers. It needs completely cleaned up, sanded, and repainted. I love doing these. I love numbering the drawers. I love just whatever on the, I really enjoy doing these. So this, and then I got 2 of these candlesticks. They're heavy, so I'm only going to show you guys one. These were $4.99. Oh, this was $6.99. These were $4.99 a piece, and they're huge. As you can see next to this thing, or even like next to like my tiered tray stuff, they're huge. They're big, big candlesticks. They could even hold planters. I mean, they're heavy duty. They were $4.99 each, and those will get painted in distress. That was really heavy. And then last but not least, on the way home from running our errands today, I had seen on Facebook Marketplace somebody had some free items, which included this Starbucks canister, which just needs a good wipe down. And I may, because it's got those snowflakes, it's so cute. I may actually use this for our coffee this Christmas season. I haven't decided yet. But the whole reason I went there was to grab this. It was free. Just a little butcher block that already has cutesy feet on it, and it just needs cleaned, sanded, oiled with some food safe oil. And we've got a riser or a cutting board, whatever somebody wants to use it for. And we'll use food safe so that it can be reused. It won't have to be decor only. And that is it for our haul today. Katie picked up some end tables that are out in her car. I haven't even seen them yet. She picked them up, I think, before my surgery. And I don't think we've picked up any other like bigger pieces at all. Just dropped a bunch of stuff off at the store. I'm excited. It's been going pretty well. So anyways, that's my haul for today. Please like, subscribe, and share, and keep watching. I know my videos aren't coming out like I said they would, you know, my Tuesday, Friday. I'm just having a little bit harder time getting some stuff done that's easy for me to do. So I'm trying, but we'll see you guys next time. Bye.